Hello everyone, my name is Satrughan Mahato, and in today's BMC Helix Remedy Force webinar series, we will explain or discuss about a topic moving service request metadata using configuration sets. The configuration sets feature is used to import configuration from a sandbox organization to its production organizations. Configuration set comprises service request and its underlying elements such as business services, templates, and categories. In production organization, the configuration sets beta option is available on the Remedy4's administration tab under the content management tile as follows. You need to click on Remedy4's administration tab, then content management, then configuration sets beta. Prerequisites of configuration sets. First prerequisite, we need to have a sandbox org that needs to be created from a production org, or refresh sandbox orgs if a sandbox already exists. Create request definition in sandbox org. Move a request definition service request from sandbox org to production. Once you are logged into the Remedy Force as an administrator uh, in a production org, we need to navigate to setup. In the quick find, we will search for sandbox. Here are the different sandbox I have created from this production org. So let's refresh one of first one. So this refresh might take some time based on the data present in this org. So let's click on refresh. Production, click on next, create. This might take some time based on the data we have in the production. So it's showing processing. So let's hold for some time. You can see it's still processing and the status is still showing progress. I can see that completion of sandbox creation is completed and it's ready for activation, and I also have received an email that sandbox is created and needs to be activated. So I will then activate this sandbox. Okay. It's activating. It might take 1 or 2 minutes. The creation of sandbox is created. You can see the status is showing completed. So now we'll try to log in here in incognito browser. So I will just copy paste the username here. It in new incognito window. Make sure you are using test.salesforce.com for login in a sandbox. The password will be same as your production org. Click on login. Okay, so let's try to log in directly from here first time. Verification code. Here is the verification code. The first time it might take some time as it is loading first time, so it might take some time to load first. So it is loaded now. It is showing in a classic mode. Let me switch it to the lightning mode. There is no ticket as it is a freshly created sandbox. Now we will navigate to Remedy4's administration tab and we'll try to create one request definition. Once you are logged in the Remedy Force Sandbox SOC, click on Remedy Force Administration tab, then Configure Application and select Request Definition. Click on Request Definition tab and create new one. I have already created one demo, so let's continue with that request definition to save our time. In the General Information tab, give the name of the request definition, select category, services, service request template, incident template, and start and end date time, make online, and all the other settings. Then click on next step, the input field. So I will add one field like text field and give that employee name. That's it for a demo. So I have only added one field here, employee name. Then I will click on next step, fulfillment tab. So there is a request details Salesforce, and yeah, there is mapping. So if you want, you can map the field with the description field. So let's say this field value will be mapped to the description field of the incident. Next, no required entitlement, self-service, everyone. Keep the other settings as it is. Click on save. This has been saved now. Perfect. Now our request definition is created with the name as demo. Now we will move again to the Remedy Force Administration tab of production org. So let me quickly log into our production org. Here it is. Let me click on a Remedy Force Administration tab. Okay, I need to log in again, I believe. Let me log in again in this org. The SPM is the Sandbox. So now I am in the production org. Now click on the Remedy Force Administration tab and navigate to Content Management and click on Configuration Sets Beta and give the name of the username of the Sandbox org. So Sandbox org, need to check. You given the password again and we are able to log in, and a message box will open here. Select the and import metadata to this production org from Sandbox org. So I will click on proceed. So there is only one request definition here. The list display 50 most request definition from the Sandbox org. So you can, if you have more than 50 request definition, then only 50 request definition will be migrated from Sandbox to production at one time. So I will select this and click on import. A message will display here, import successful, one request definition imported successfully. So click on OK. Now we can see in the production org that request definition should be available for use. So I will click on request definition and search by one, demo one. Yeah, you can see this request definition is imported successfully. All the services category is showing here. Troubleshooting guides. So BMC support has created several troubleshooting guides. Look for the troubleshooting section at the top label. These guides are based on commonly raised support issues. Troubleshooting common issues. First problem. The following error displays when while running configuration set. Login failed. The version of Remedy4 production and Sandbox do not match. Cause. Production and Sandbox org versions are different. Solution. The Sandbox must be created from same production org and both versions should be same. Common issues 2. Problem 2. Getting error while logging to configuration set. Login failed. Enter valid credentials. Cause. Security token not used in password field. Solution. Use security token with password. References. These are the reference documents. This webinar video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. And if you have any queries and concern, please feel to reach out to our technical support through web, phone, and email. Please note to follow us in our Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching.